Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and last week I got a 1.19 2x2 sub WR average on Cubers.io. This is a really good average for me because I normally average around 1.6 to 1.7 seconds, and this average is ranked third on the site. Not only that, this average is actually my fastest ever average at an online competition. At first, the organizers actually removed my average because I guess they thought I was fake or something. Anyways, forget about that. I actually posted about it on Facebook after that, and apparently someone got in touch with the organizers and now I'm back up on the site. Anyways, in today's video I'm just going to be reconstructing this average, and here's the first scramble. So on this first scramble, what I saw you could do is a 6-move layer like this on red into lefty sexy sledge. However, you can actually cancel into this. So when you solve your layer, you see that the first 4 moves of lefty sexy sledge are these. However, the last 4 moves of the layer are the opposite of that, so essentially you can just cancel into it like this. So you do U2, right into left sledgehammer, and finish with the U prime AUF. So here's the second scramble, and honestly at first glance this scramble looks pretty terrible. However, I see a really good solution. So if you do the white layer like this, you just do an F prime to make this block, and then U, R, U prime, R2, you're just left with pure Soon with no UF, which you can actually cancel into. Like that. So yeah, I'm really glad I was able to spot that layer within the first few seconds of inspection. Otherwise, there's no way I would have been able to one-look that. Anyways, here's scramble 3, and on this I really didn't do anything fancy. I just did a 4-move layer on orange, right into a J-perm with a UAUF. I didn't really bother looking at anything else, so yeah, this was my worst time. So on scramble 4, you just see this 1-move EG2 face, and what most people would do here is just solve it like this, and then do lefty sexy sledge and cancel into anti-CLL. However, what I did here is an alternate anti-CLL algorithm. So what you can just do is F2, cancel right into it, and then go right into this algorithm, and then finish off with R2B2 R2 with a U2 AUF. Anyways, going into this last scramble, I was getting quite nervous because I could see a lot of blocks. However, the first thing I looked at was this 1-move EG1 face on blue, and you can actually cancel into the EG1 algorithm. However, I'm not a huge fan of that algorithm, so I kept looking, and sure enough, there was something better. If you do 5 moves on yellow, you're left with anti-Niklas, which is a really easy CLL. So you can do U prime, finish off, and you're done. So yeah, overall that solve was more than 13 TPS, and with so much pressure, I think I did a really good job on this last solve. So yeah, that's about it for my reconstruction of my 1.19 Cubers.io sub WR average. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Goodbye.